Oh, what's up, guys? Well, another video, guys. I am here at the Target. Wait, hold on. Let me take this off. I made this mask a few days ago. That was after I made my last video. I just want to answer some questions that some people have. Really quick, before I start driving, I got a message from Handy Hudsonite. Excuse me. It says, no orange vest this time. Hey, I got it on now, or the yellow one. I have it on now. I don't wear it all the time. Sometimes I do. I'm not working now, so I wear it when. Sometimes I wear it. It makes me look kind of important too when I'm out, and plus the people see me. But anyway, have you noticed that the audio is the same between the new cam and the Pro you had before? Yes. Yeah, I think it's the same. The exporting process, easy breezy, nice. It's not like the camera. I mean the camera right here, this one right here. You guys could probably see it, but the mirror mount videos, I have to do something different to get them, edited and all that. So exporting process is the same as my last camera, the old camera. Yeah, because I know you said, I know you had issues on one of your dash cams because of the codecs. Yes, but this one, easy breezy. Wow, how many cameras? I gotta check out. Oh, I guess, well, you put 2140, and that's a huge line. And there is a huge line right now. So as soon as I start driving, I'm gonna show you the line really quick. I waited in line for like about, let's say about 45 minutes. And no problem, I'm taking you guys on the errands. The other question that I have is, Lisa Jane wrote me. She said, good to see you, Big Mac Sam. Thank you very much. Nice to see you in the comments also. I have a question. What video software do you have? This question is from DJ Allen JS0588. What video software do you have? And by the way, good job of the video. Thank you very much. I did respond on that one. Yeah, I get this question often. What video software do I use? I use Wondershare Filmora. I think it cost me about 50 bucks, $49.99. Lois Alvarez, you downgraded? Yes, I did, for the time being, until I get my other battery replaced. And nice camera, good video, keep it up. That's from Mad Fitness Workout. Thank you very much. Keep the comments going, guys. I know Handy Hudsonite gave me an idea on my Twitter feed. He sent me a private message. I think I will do that, Handy. I will talk about that. And I should give you credit for that. On talking about what camera setup should a driver with a dash cam have. So videos coming up soon. Let me take a quick ride or quick drive and show you what the lines look like. So I'm going home right now. It's funny, Handy sent me a message, Handy Hudsonite, and I'm here at Target right now. So alrighty, so it is 4:04 p.m. now 4:05 p.m. Monday. Alright, let's get out of here. I also I set my camera up. Oh, let me turn this off. There you go. Turn this off right here. No radio, no copyright. But I set up my camera that you could actually put your license plate number in the settings, so that way it shows on the timestamp of the footage. I didn't put my license plate number. I put down my YouTube channel name. I do not know what it will look like until I get home and take a look at it. So I put Big Mac Sam in the timestamp settings. So and I could only fit 9 characters, and I couldn't fit spaces. So the wording Big Mac Sim is all one word. So I'm gonna see what it looks like when I get home, guys. Okay, the line when I arrived here at the Target, the line was up to the corner only. Now is up to here, but it was further down, up to the corner only. I'm gonna show you what I mean. It was up to the corner where it says keep intersection clear. It was only up to there when I arrived, but now the line is longer. I waited about 45 minutes in the line, but now the wait is probably an hour long. But anyway, guys, just wanted to respond to the some of the questions and give shout outs to folks that are commenting in the video. Shout out to all you guys, Andy Hudsonite, DJ, and I can't remember the rest of the name. I'm sorry about that. And you know, just keep practicing what they're saying about the you know, social distancing, washing your hands, face covering, all that stuff. I don't know how you guys are dealing with it wherever you're at. If you want to leave a comment and let me know what's going on in your neck of the woods, you know. Anyway, guys, take it easy, stay safe, and when you're driving, like I always say, or like I say many times, look around, look around. Alrighty. Later, guys, later.